We are now on question 4 on the 5-question series on microscopy, the topic microscopy. Remember, we are working on A-level biology revision strategies for paper 1 multiple choice, and the paper code is 9700/01 or /11. It could be 1112. And today we look at an actual question like we've done before from the year 2024, May, June. And the question goes, a prokaryotic cell which is 1 micrometer in diameter is magnified 50,000 times in an electron micrograph. What is the diameter of the cell in the electron micrograph? So that's the first reading. You do a second reading, trying to understand the specific details. So first thing to notice is that we're dealing with a prokaryotic cell. Whether that's important or not, it's good to just notice that it's a prokaryotic cell. Secondly, it is 1 micrometer in length. So we're dealing with 1 micrometer in diameter, and then we've magnified it 50,000 times. Okay, then so what's the question? After magnifying it, that the question is, what is the diameter of the cell in the electron micrograph? So what is the image? They require the image distance. So you check, what have I been given? I've been given the actual size. So 1 micrometer here is the actual size. Okay, and then it is magnified. So we have the magnification given as 50,000. All right. So we have two sources of information now. I have the actual size, I have the magnification. Then this becomes simple because you just need to remember the formula for calculating magnification, which is magnification equals to image size or image distance divided by actual distance. So if I divide image distance, I'll get what I'm looking for. So all you do is you're now looking for the image distance. Okay, so to get image distance, you multiply magnification times the actual distance. Magnification times the actual distance. And in this case, if I do that, I will end up with 1 micrometer times 50,000 will be 50,000 micrometers. However, I have an issue because the options given as the answers are all in millimeters. So you have to first notice that before you pick an option. So I have 50,000 micrometers. So you have to convert your 50,000 micrometers to millimeters. And how do you do that? You should remember that 1 millimeter equals to 1,000 micrometers. And since we have 50,000 micrometers, if we are to divide that, therefore it means you'll end up with 50 millimeters. So how do we express 50 millimeters in standard form? It will be 5 times 10. Okay, 50 is 5 times 10 to the power of 1. Okay, so our answer here will be C. So that's it for this question. We'll move on to question 5.